What's the difference between boost and ads? Okay, that's a very good question though, but I would always like to tell you, if you can, never boost your post, because boost is just quick money for Facebook. It just, kind of destroys your algorithm, because boost is like put a few bugs in and Facebook will start showing the ad to everyone that's near and dear to that profile. Ads is when you actually go into the meta, create a campaign. So let's say you have a reel and you want to boost that reel. What would you do on Instagram is you'll click on, or Facebook as well, you'll click on boost. It'll ask you two, three different questions and you'll start running that. If you had to do the same thing in Meta, you will go inside, you will say, I want to run an awareness campaign. When you run an awareness campaign, it will ask you which post you want to use. You will say, I want to use an existing post. Now you will select the particular reel that has been uploaded already. And now your campaign will run. So this is a campaign from the Meta.